Good morning, children. Welcome back. And today we will start with the second part of chapter number 4. And we will start with the topic of birth and development of extreme revolutionary movements. Okay, now in this topic we will study how the revolution had started in India. Who were the people, those who were involved in getting back the freedom at any cost. Now, first to start, we can say Vasudev Balwant Phadke. He was the first revolutionary person who rose a voice against the Britishers. Okay, so the revolutionary activity was being started by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Now, other revolutionaries, those who have given their intense contribution towards the freedom of India were, I have selected the pictures and shown you who are the main heroes we can call. Okay, the Damodar Hari Chapekar. Next was revolutionary Balkrishna Hari Chapekar. These were also known as Chapekar brothers also. Then V. Savarkar, Barendra Kumar Ghosh. You can see all these were the persons, those who have given their lives for the freedom of India. Then Khudiram Bose, Shahid Praful Chakki. Next is Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, and this a great Bhagat Singh. Then Shivaram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar, Batukeshwar Dutt, Roshan Singh. Okay, all these were the freedom fighters, of our nation, those who had carried the torch of nationalism and spread out among the others. Okay, they had trained the youth people in making of weapons, in using all such weapons. Okay, and they were a threat for the English government. Now, this fierce revolutionary movement began in India and spread in the other countries as well. Okay. Now, when this the partition of Bengal was being cancelled, okay, at that time, we can say in Congress in Surat, the full Congress group was being divided into two. That was in moderates and extremists. Okay, at Congress conference in Surat in 1907. Okay, the two groups were known as Jahal, that were radicals. Okay, and another group was known as Mawal, that is moderates. Okay, moderates and extremists. Extremists, we can other name is the radicals or the Jahal, and the moderate group was there. And this group, कांग्रेस का जो ग्रुप था वो कब डिवाइड हो गया था? इन 1907, दैट इज इमीडिएटली आफ्टर वी कैन से द कैंसिलेशन ऑफ द पार्टीशन. बंगाल जब यूनाइट हुआ था उसके बाद. नाउ दीज वर द मेन रेडिकल्स वी कैन से. लाला लाजपत राय, द ट्रायो वी कैन से लाल, बाला एंड पाल. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर द थ्री मेन रेडिकल्स. सी है लाला लाजपत राय, then Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Okay, these three adopted the radical attitude we can say, and they brought a new life in the youngsters. The lethargic policies of the Indian Congress जो चल रही थी, धीरे धीरे Indian Congress जो अपना slow movement हो रहा था. These people didn't wanted that slow changes. They wanted an immediate freedom. उनको revolution चाहिए था, इमीडिएट चेंज चाहिए था. दे वांटेड दैट ब्रिटिशर्स शुड रन अवे फ्रॉम आवर कंट्री एट अ वेरी फास्ट स्पीड. सब हमको फ्रीडम चाहिए जल्दी से जल्दी और कैसे भी. द मॉडरेट्स वर एट द अदर वे राउंड. जो मॉडरेट्स थे कांग्रेस के, दे वांटेड टू अडॉप्ट अ सिंपल वे. They wanted to adopt the way of non-violence. They wanted to write down the letters, and in a legal they wanted freedom. But these radicals, they were just the opposite. They wanted freedom at anyhow, any cost, and immediate freedom they wanted. Now see Lokmanya Tilak. Okay, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he declared very firmly at that time that freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. Okay, this became the maxim for the revolutionary freedom fighters. This became the slogan for so many revolutionary fighters. We can say that freedom is my birthright, वो हमारा हक है, आज़ादी हमारा हक है, and I shall have it anyhow. Okay, so this gave an inspiration to so many young people at that time. These extreme revolutionaries, they were happy to sacrifice their lives for the motherland. कि हम कुछ भी करेंगे, अपनी जान भी दे देंगे, बट हम आज़ादी लेकर रहेंगे. Okay. Now they wanted to spread revolutionary activities, and then these revolutionary activities started in so many states of India. States like Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Odisha, Rajasthan, Madras. In some areas में these revolutionary activities had been started. Now which were these revolutionary activities? These activities included what? These activities, like they had formed the Mitra Mela Society, they had formed Abhinav Bharat Samaj, Anushilan Samiti, Anjumane Mohilanar Watan, Indian Patriots Association. ये सब उन्होंने associations बनाए, जो groups बनाए, that they used to run all these activities. Groups बना के, groups के अपने अपने नाम रखे, and they wanted to run these activities. Now what all activities? Now in the first stage, they had started making of the newspapers. Okay, printed the newspapers and magazines like Yugantar, Nav Shakti, Vande Mataram, Kesari and Maratha. और इनमें articles देते थे which spread the feeling of nationalism की feeling उत्पन्न करता था सब में. Now 34 revolutionaries prosecuted in Alipur massacre. Okay, there were 34 revolutionaries that were being jailed in Alipur. Now several revolutionaries were arrested in Havra massacre and Dhaka massacre. Okay, दूसरे massacres में incidents में Havra massacre and Dhaka में so many other revolutionaries were also arrested. They also attempt to kill Lord Hardinge by throwing a bomb on it. Means they were ready to take any non-violent actions also, isn't it? कुछ भी करके हम आज़ादी लेकर रहेंगे. Dropping bomb on Viceroy Minto on November 13th, 1909 outside Raipur Darwaza and Ahmedabad. They also did this कि उन्होंने Viceroy Minto को मारने के लिए they had dropped a bomb, okay, outside Raipur Darwaza. Now in the second stage of their activities, that was from year 1920 to 1942, they did the activities like Kakori loot case, okay, then Lahore massacre, then they also dropped a bomb on Central Parliament. All these were activities done by the revolutionaries. Okay, so in this I have taken a small topic, okay, right from page number 24 and 25, that is, who were all the revolutionaries that had started these started the spread of nationalism, feeling of nationalism. And now this topic you can learn it from page number 24 and 25. Okay beta, thank you, have a nice day.